And today we are watching what Dogelon Mars, this great project and great token, is doing today. We have blasting news for today and you can just check everything out in this video. Please stay till the end of the video. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. We have some really interesting news and we are actually watching on the price and on the chart to see what will happen with Dogelon Mars in the near and far future. First, watching this 7 days chart, and I can tell you it's not looking that great because on this day, this is the 2nd of the February, we can see the big crash started and actually doing this not so good job, but I can tell you we are in the recovery phase. I'm showing that later in just a second on the chart. But let's check the price and we are still in this range of the 0.60, so I'm actually aiming that we're going to lose that 0.0 really soon. That's the place that we need to be for price to go up and for the placing and ranking for Dogelon Mars to go much higher, because we need to put ourselves at least in the top 100 tokens. We are so close to that, but today is not looking that great. Let's see the chart and I'm going to explain you everything what is happening. This will be fast showing of the chart and you can see these three rebounding on this support level. That's actually closing something of the descending triangle, but when you look at the bigger picture you can put it over here and of course prolong these lines over here and show what is actually happening. When you put these two lines you can see that we are closing this triangle really soon. It's looking like the downtrend, but when you look at the bigger picture you can see beautifully looking uptrend and recovery phase for Dogelon Mars. So actually it's looking bullish, not bearish to my when I look at it. This is just one little part of the market and this was the big crash that happened for the global crypto market. So actually it's the normal thing to recover from this phase, and now over here something will be of the really important place to watch what will happen with Dogelon Mars. And why is that? I will explain in just a second. First, let me show you this blasting news that I talk in the beginning of the video and says Binance, the big and the largest person, one of the largest person in the crypto community with 5.1 million holders, and you can see his official Twitter profile and his post says Elon can get the private funding for it. This is something of the reply, but how many Elons do we have on this planet? So that's actually a really good question and I think it has some secret message behind it. Probably the Binance has heard for Elon and probably is thinking something about the listing, or just leave in the comments what's your opinion. This is the 15 minutes technical analysis on Elon and it's actually looking great, but this is just the 15 minutes. I think in other cases we are something of the neutral score. As you can see the oscillators are telling buy. I don't know how because everything is in neutral and the moving averages are telling sell. This is the most important, but it's good that this 15 minutes and of course the smaller one are looking actually pretty good. So it's expected for Dogelon to go up in price pretty soon because the investors are really important part of the whole volume part in one crypto. So when they push the volume, the price for sure need to follow. So I'm expecting Dogelon to go in this range from this point and maybe drop to this point that is 0.607, but from that we need to see did and will Elon go above this support level and break it, or it will go down below. Maybe we are waiting the retest of this price over here that is 0.6065, or maybe even lower on this position that is 0.5060, actually 53. So that's actually the lower point and the lowest points that Elon has been in a while. Maybe that's the next thing for Dogelon Mars. People are expecting bullish, but I'm not sure. Just give your opinion in the comments and see you in the next video.